Hi everyone, just doing an unboxing of a Google Pixel 8 Pro. I did do another one of these before. I bought one for someone else from a different company. This one I got off eBay from a company, they call themselves Green Gadgets. And this one's supposed to be rated as in a good condition. So we'll have a look at that and see how that lines up. I'll just leave that there. Hopefully it's not reflecting too much. Okay, so you get it in your whatever satchel. Comes with the box. Alright, look. I haven't opened this up before, so let's tip this out. Okay, okay, so you do get a power adapter. Fair enough. And they do give you a cable. I don't know whether that's original or not original, but anyway, they're giving you that. And then you've got the phone, which I seem to remember the other one was stuck like this too, with plastic. Can't really remember, to tell you the truth, but anyway, we'll get this out. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it says good. It's got fingerprint, but I think that's me. There's something. There is a little scratch on the screen there. For the price I got this, I don't think I'm going to worry. There is a tiny scratch. How you would scratch that like that, I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look at the rest of it. Okay, so there is some little marks here. So this is their good rating. Good is not excellent or as new. So, okay, I can see some marks on the, and you probably won't see that, but I can see some marks around where the camera is. I'll be putting a cleaning cloth on there and trying to give that a polish tomorrow. If that, it's probably just dirty. Looks like it's just dirty. Yeah, I'd say that's just dirty. If I get some alcohol and a swab or something and wipe that, you don't want the lens to be scratched up too much. I mean, it doesn't make that much difference, but yeah. For the price I got this, I won't say the price because it could change, but really the price is probably pretty good. Let's just turn it on, make sure it does actually work. I mean, I don't know if they send these charged or not. Looks like no. Yeah, looks like it's dead. I might stop this and put it on charge for a minute and then start the video again. Yeah, hi everyone, so we're back. I just put a little bit of charge into the phone. Like I said, yeah, it's got it does have a couple of marks on there, but it's only marked as good. I think the camera is fine. So, yeah, you basically, I'll just turn it on so you can see that, and then that's going to be the end of the unboxing. I'll turn it off again in a second and we'll go through the setup from another phone after I move some of these things here. And yeah, okay.